How do I repair the left rear wheel on Toro 22-inch recycler model 20331? It appears that the shaft slips through the wheel and tightens down, but it falls off again after about 2 minutes mowing. The owner's manual offers no advice.
Hi, my name is Welcome to JustAnswer. When you tighten it all the way, does it tighten up and stop turning? If so, I think I would try removing ithe bolt and getting some blue Loctite or thread locker and put that on the threads and let it sit a day or so before using it to see if that works before changing bolts. Just make sure the wheel can move freely. Tighten down.
Will white tape that is used with plumbing work? I'll try this. I'm very sad that I won't be able to mow today. After a week of rain, this was the one clear day. I gather that the next step would be to replace the bolt? That was my thought, although it appears to be fine and seems to seat well when we try it without the wheel.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.